Hello everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my last 2 months worth of the My Sci-Fi Book Club boxes. I'm probably going to cancel this just because I haven't been reading. So may as well cancel it for now. It's been cool though. So I think this was, this box on top, this was March's. And you do get 2 books, and I believe it's for $15.99. So hardcover books. So right here we have the Dark Above. This is by Jeremy Finley. So on the back it says a cross between The X-Files, The OA, Stranger Things, and Mr. Robot. Interesting. Cool. Maybe I'll read that, maybe I'll take that to work. Anyways, and then we have The City in the Middle of the Night by Charlie Jane Anders. Okay, now we're gonna do, I guess this is April's, even though I just got it like today. Alrighty. Oh, well, that's interesting. Oops. Alright, well at least that's 2 boxes I can get rid of now again. Alright, the slightly bigger one is Empire of Lies by Raymond Cowrie. Just something on the back says, an alternative history thriller that will blow your mind. A story strung along the centuries that is thoroughly engrossing and one you will long remember. Okay. And then the other one is The Killing Joke for Batman by Krista Faust and Gary Phillips. And I know that this was, I think it was a game, or maybe it was a graphic novel that was turned into an anime or something like that. But yeah, okay, well that one looks cool. Okay, so we got 4 books that I'm really bad about reading. I read very fast, but I'm very bad about actually reading. So anyways, I will try to read one of these. My original goal for the year was to read a book a week, and I was doing that, but then I decided in February, I was like, no, I'm going to make a video every day. So anyways, I'll try to read one of these, and I'll let you know how they are. But other than that, that was just my little short unboxing video. Something simple, something easy. Thank you very much for watching. I do unbox things here. I like makeup. I like wrestling. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m.